Good day and welcome to Think Business 95. Today we are going to talk about starting a home baking business in South Africa. Starting a home baking business requires careful planning and consideration. Here are some steps to help you get started. Research the market demand for baked goods in your area. Identify your target market and understand their preferences and needs. Determine what types of baked goods you want to offer, such as cakes, cookies, bread, or pastries. Research local regulations and requirements for operating a home-based food business. Contact your local health department or municipality to obtain necessary permits and licenses. Outline your business goals, target market, pricing strategy, and marketing plan. Determine your startup costs, including ingredients, equipment, packaging, and marketing materials. Establish your pricing structure, taking into account ingredient costs, labor, and desired profit margin. Set up a designated area in your home kitchen for baking. Ensure it meets health and safety requirements, such as cleanliness and adequate storage space. Purchase necessary baking equipment and utensils, such as mixing bowls, measuring tools, baking pans, and an oven. Consider investing in packaging materials, such as boxes, labels, and wrapping, to present your baked goods professionally. Source high-quality ingredients from reliable suppliers. Consider purchasing in bulk to reduce costs. Maintain proper inventory management to ensure you always have the necessary ingredients on hand. Calculate the cost of ingredients, packaging, and your time to determine the price of your products. Research competitors' prices in your area to ensure your pricing is competitive. Consider offering different pricing options, such as individual items, gift packages, or custom orders. Create a brand identity for your home baking business, including a name, logo, and a consistent visual style. Build an online presence through a website or social media platforms to showcase your products. Use high-quality food photography to attract customers and highlight the quality of your baked goods. Network with local businesses, such as coffee shops or event planners, to explore potential partnerships. Follow proper hygiene practices and food safety guidelines to maintain cleanliness and ensure the safety of your baked goods. Adhere to any specific regulations or requirements outlined by your local health department or municipality. Keep detailed records of ingredients, baking processes, and cleaning procedures. Customer service and feedback. Provide excellent customer service and maintain clear communication with your customers. Encourage customer feedback to improve your products and services. Implement systems for order management, tracking, and delivery to ensure a smooth customer experience. Remember to continuously learn and refine your baking skills, stay updated with industry trends, and adapt your business strategies to meet the changing demands of your customers.